Flip, cup, flip, 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 flip. Hello exclusive baddies, this is BP Exclusive. In today's video we're going to be doing a little quick DIY home decor type video. So I was at the thrift store maybe a month ago and I found these records and they were $1 each, and I was like, I seen this thing on Pinterest, I'll insert that picture, where they decorated the records. So I want to paint them. So I always wanted to do that the cup flip over method, where the paint in the cup and you flip it over and it creates this super cool marble effect. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Super easy. All you guys do is go to the thrift store. They have a billion records, like Goodwill, mainly Goodwill. I don't know if they have them in any other stores, any other thrifty stores, but Goodwill has a billion of them. So yeah, just go there, get a bunch, paint them. I see, actually, I got this idea from Pinterest. This girl painted flowers on the records and other little designs on the records, but I really want to try the drip method or the cup flip.
Okay, kids downstairs. I didn't even know y'all existed until today. I think they're outside low-key, but they're freaking loud. I don't even know if I can do this video because they're loud. And my kids aren't even here. And I gotta deal with other people's kids.
Intro to my video. You can pretty much do whatever you want. I decided to do this. You can also just draw, and if you're really great artist. I mean, I'm good at drawing, but I wanted to do this method really bad. So that's what we did today, and it was super easy and super simple. For the video, you're gonna see me with some long ass lashes. They look freaking stupid. They're only good for they didn't look cute, so I took the mugs off because they was distracting me. I feel like I couldn't open my eyes all the way, and I felt like I looked like a stupid person, so I took them mugs off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time that I post a video. If you hit that notification bell, please do so, y'all can stay in tune with all the uploads. I am back. I am gonna be video vlogging. I'm gonna be doing a lot of vlogging, a lot of DIYs, and I'm not gonna take no more breaks. I'm not taking no more breaks, y'all, because I done took too many freaking breaks. And when you take a break, you don't want to restart up, and then you get lazy, and that's what was happening. I took that break because I got sick, and then I was like, you know what, I don't even feel like recording. My camera stands stupid and broken. What am I gonna do? And I don't know how to angle these videos, and it just was struggling. And I had videos, literally I have videos lined up and I wasn't recording. Just how lazy, really, Brittany, lazy as fuck. Sorry for cussing, just lazy. So we gonna do better, okay? We gonna do better. We gonna be uploading videos every week. We gonna make it our mission. My friend told me, don't overdo it, just upload when you don't want to just, overwork yourself. I'm overworking myself. No, I'm kidding. No, I want to make videos every week because I don't want y'all to forget about me. Because if I leave and then I'm gone, then what? Y'all gonna forget about me. Ain't nobody, who? BP Exclusive, who? Who is she? Nobody know who she is. She don't make no videos on YouTube. Who is she? So, no, I'm joking. This intro has become long. It's gonna be a lot of edited out parts. Anyways, without further ado, what we all say on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started in this video real quick. It's gonna be real quick and simple, y'all. Yeah, let's get to it. So I found some cups because I didn't go to the store to get cups. So we're just gonna try it. So I don't know, like, whatever. Let's just do this. I don't know. I don't think I put enough. Sorry guys, this is just taking I didn't put enough, so next one I'm gonna put a lot. But I'm just gonna let it drip off, see if I can get this whole thing covered. But now I know I need to put a lot. So you guys, second attempt, I put it on something and I know like I gotta use a lot more paint, so we're gonna do that now. So, second attempt. Okay, let's do this like Brutus. I think I did it right this time. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's kind of cool in the light. We're gonna use a lot of white. What makes this heart beat faster?
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight, bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight, won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster? Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight.
Hey exclusive baddies, thank you guys for watching my video, and always don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, they look so cute in the background. You hear my son, y'all? He is in there having so much fun in the shower. I don't even know how showers are supposed to be quick, but he in there. Who knows what he doing, but he doing the most, yelling and screaming like a crazy person.